Today, I'll show you how to pay Atome using GCash. First, open the Atome app on your phone. Sign in to the Atome account where you have an active bill or installment. Once you are inside the app, go to your Bills, Orders, or Me section, depending on what appears in your version of the app. Now look for the payment that is due. Tap the bill or order you want to pay. You should see the amount due, due date, and payment status. Before paying, review the details carefully so you know exactly how much you need to pay. Now tap Pay Now or the payment button shown on the screen. Atome will show the available payment methods. If GCash appears as a direct payment option, select GCash. You may be redirected to a GCash payment page. Enter your GCash mobile number if asked, then follow the verification steps. GCash may ask you to confirm using OTP, MPIN, or app authentication. Before confirming, check the amount again. Make sure it matches your Atome bill. Once everything is correct, approve the payment. After the payment is successful, return to the Atome app and check the bill status. It should show as paid, processing, or updated, depending on how fast the system refreshes. If GCash does not appear as a direct payment option, check if Atome allows payment using a card. If you have a GCash linked card, such as GCash card or another supported debit card connected to your GCash account, you may be able to use it as a card payment method. In the Atome payment page, choose credit or debit card, then enter the card details if supported. Make sure your GCash wallet has enough balance before paying. If the card payment is successful, Atome should update your bill. You can also check the GCash app after payment. Open GCash, go to your transaction history, and confirm that the payment was deducted. Save a screenshot of the Atome payment confirmation and the GCash receipt, just in case you need proof later. If your payment is deducted from GCash but does not appear in Atome, do not pay again immediately. Wait for the official processing time, then contact Atome support or GCash support with your reference number and screenshots. Also, never share your GCash MPIN, OTP, password, or verification codes with anyone. So, to keep it simple, open Atome, choose your bill, tap Pay Now, select GCash if available, confirm through GCash, and check that the payment is posted. If GCash is not shown, use a supported GCash linked card if Atome accepts it. And that's how you pay Atome using GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.